Blast! Dude, what are you doing? No. Go back to your work. Is that a Rubik's Cube? Nonsense! This is Pandora's box. I don't expect a simple biologist like yourself to be able to comprehend such magnitude. Let me see that, dude. You know, dude, you could just peel all the stickers off. Nonsense. I'm so close. Look, dude. One entire side is all the same color. Oh. Hey, you got the whole red side done. Good for you, buddy. Now just do it with the other 5. Blasted cube. How it mocks me so. I will solve you. Alright, dude. Put down the cube. Walk away.